Hello friends, welcome to our channel Fall for Food, and today we are going to make a special dessert for Valentine's Day. So let's start. We need strawberries for that. See, I've cut them up into cubes like this, and I'll just show you how to cut them into small cubes. Take off the leaf and then just cut them into squares. You try and do this 15-20 minutes before and soak them in powder sugar for some time. Then you get the juices. Now I'm going to add some sugar into it. To your taste, of course. Sugar to your taste. Some powdered sugar, just add and keep it. Keep it for about 10-15 minutes. Then the strawberries will release the juice, which will help your pudding to get a little moist. Now I need some fresh cream. I've used Amul fresh cream, but you can use cream of your choice. Okay, mixed it with a little bit of sugar and yes, I will put in a little sugar into that. That also to your taste you put in, and just beat it up nicely. Just whisk it nicely. If you have a hand blender, do it with that. So your cream is more or less ready. Now I'll just show you. You need some strawberry hearts. See, I have cut them. I'll just show you how to do them. If you just want a half heart, just cut it like that. And if you want, take off the leaf, cut it, and just give it a triangular cut. And you can even slice one more slice if you want. If you want a thin slice, you can do that. Your hearts are ready. Now let's assemble the pudding. For that I'm using 2 glasses. I hope you can see them nicely. Now I had some home baked chocolate cake which I will use. I'll just crumble and put it at the end over there. Just crumble it and put it. I use 3 slices. Now on that, if you want, you can put a little chocolate sauce. If you want, just gives a good look. Now we will put in the strawberries that we had put sugar into. It has already started releasing their juice. Put them over here on this. The juice will help the cake to get a little moist. And then we just put in our cream from top. Now put in your hearts the way you want it. Once I've set it up, I'll show it to you. This is your pudding from the side, and this is how it looks from top. It's very simple. You just need to have the things. Bye friends. Hope you have a nice Valentine's Day. Do try it and let me know. Bye for now.